Welcome to another day with Aaron! Makeup Artist Edition. Nako, itong gig ko na to, muntik-muntikanan ko na talagang makancel. Kasi hindi kaya ng aming e-bike yung travel from our house going to NU Laguna. But I am super thankful to my friend Divina for lending me their e-bike at sa pagsama sa akin sa gig na to. And I'm super happy kasi nasettle namin agad yung magiging transportation ko and payag naman yung aking client for babayaran niya dun sa transportation, separate yon from my service fee. Yung ginagamit kong mga techniques for makeup is natutunan ko from the NYX Institute of Beauty and from personal experiences na rin. And sa mga taga-Kalamba dyan, kunin nyo lang po ako na makeup artist. Available po ako. Just message me on my Facebook. And of course, after the makeup session, may onting photoshoot po tayo and isasend ko po yan sa inyo. I'm super happy kasi natuwa talaga si client dun sa look niya. Talagang pasabog siya, day. Ayan yung friend ko and ito yung makeup look ni Ma'am Aiza. Thank you po. And this is us looking around the NU Laguna kasi first time kong makapasok sa NU Laguna. It's a bit far from our barangay. And it's time to go home but before that, magbakdo muna tayo drive-through. And that's it. Bye!